be a very bamboo session.
जिसमें होगा बहुत कुछ.
Counseling sessions,
Guest speakers,
interviews,
success stories,
rapid fire
funny skits,
और बहुत सारे informative sessions.
which will help you polish and reflect the unique brand within you. We care for your career. Office of Career Services.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hey UMT, I am Saira Iqbal Khan.
और मैं हूँ Maria Sarfraz. Hope you all are doing great. As you all know, we have an exclusive corner where we bring top industrial players, entrepreneurs, CEOs from the world of business.
And the purpose of these sessions is basically to help the UMT stakeholders to broaden their horizons and to have exposure towards the real-time industry practices. In this regard, we are having this talk session in collaboration with Careers Pakistan Talkwood program and Coca-Cola Empower lecture series. This session will help the participants to understand the importance and relevance of effective communication skills in the industry and the available career options in their field. Participants should consider this a golden opportunity to ask questions to better understand the subject. Before starting the session, I would like to give a brief introduction about Careers Pakistan Talkwood program and Coca-Cola Empower lecture series. Talkwood is a platform for professionals of action to spread their knowledge in the form of talk sessions and interact with students at their educational institutions. Talkwood now has over 300 plus established speakers on its panel, ranging from senior management of corporations, including CEOs, as well as country representatives of leading multinational NGOs and dignitaries, including ambassadors from 15 countries. And this program has hosted talks in universities across the Pakistan. Whereas Empower the Coca-Cola lecture series is Coca-Cola's Pakistan latest CSR initiative. This is to empower the university level youth of Pakistan students across the country with co-curricular learning by imparting knowledge and confidence through inspirational and informative talks delivered by experts in various fields. This innovative program seeks to understand the issues faced by youth, especially those relating to the personality development and career path, and provide them with expert guidance through a series of thought-provoking talks by people who have overcome tough challenges to achieve heights in their respective fields. For me, it's not possible to explain the illustrious career of Mr. Fahad Qadir in such a short time. It may take several hours to brief his achievements, but still, it gives me immense pleasure to give a brief introduction of Mr. Fahad Qadir. Mr. Fahad Qadir is currently working as Director, Public Affairs and Communication for Pakistan and Afghanistan region Coca-Cola. He previously worked as Group Communications Manager, Eurasia and Africa Group EAG, a cluster of 89 markets across the region. He was responsible for managing key communications initiatives for these markets, apart from supporting the EAG President's Office with internal and external communications. In addition to this, Fahad has led the global PR charter for Coca-Cola, the company's largest sport-based program that runs across 60 markets. In his current role, he leads stakeholders' engagement on an ongoing basis with the government, media, social groups, NGOs, and others. He also manages corporate and brand PR strategy and the company's CSR programs, which has helped establish Coca-Cola as one of the most respected companies in Pakistan. Under his CSR initiatives, Coca-Cola has initiated sustainable projects in the fields of environment conservation, education rehabilitation of the physically challenged and others. He remains a member of International Government Relations Network of the Coca-Cola Company. In addition to his other responsibilities of PSC and franchise management, he also supports the region's GM as executive assistant. I am delighted to invite Mr. Fahad Qadir to kindly come and share his views with us and enlighten our participants with his talks.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. That was a very generous introduction, something which I probably did not deserve. Did not realize I've worked for so long for so many things. But what I'm here to tell you is a lot of things that are very practical, very purely from the heart. My presentations are very fun and interactive. इसमें least text होगा, this I can guarantee. I can guarantee my 15 slides will have the least, शायद एक दो जगह पे text होगा, बाकी it's all images that speak to you, and that's intentional because I want you to communicate not by reading but by watching and listening to me. So, but interesting thing is, this is packaging. This is a product and this is a packaging. Does it? No. But you all probably can relate. It's a red can, it's a Coke hi hoga. But what is it doing? In today's world, product is as important as anything else. This is speaking to you. This is communicating to you. इसकी shape ऐसी है, इसको पकड़ते ऐसे हो जाता है, इसका label कैसा है. Everything is talking to you. आप किसी retail store में जाते हैं, there are so many brands of anything, but you pick what appeals to you because it's communicating with you. And which is why essential इतना ज़्यादा हो गया हमारे लिए कि cans हो, product हो, जो भी हो. If you go on Google and type different kind of Coke cans, आपको शायद बहुत से cans मिलेंगे जिन पे शायद Coca-Cola लिखा भी नहीं होगा, या सिर्फ बड़ा सा CEO लिखा होगा in a very stylish way, but still you can understand because it's imprinted in your mind कि ऐसा interesting can, red can, Coke का ही होगा. But again, this is talking to you. This is the evolution. I don't need to explain this. It's very interesting, and I think the evolution was inevitable. ऐसा होना ही था एक दिन, और आज we live in that world. But it's come to a point where just imagine you have to say everything in 140 characters. जब आप employers के सामने जाते हैं, what are you communicating even without saying a word? And I'll tell you the practical examples as well in my presentation. कि how important it is that you carry your own brand. Communication is not just verbal, non-verbal, everything. In fact, there was a research done by Harvard, and which said कि rule था 40, 30, and 30. 40% weightage was vocal. Not vocal words, but vocal pitch. If I'm speaking too loud in your face, you'll say, so क्या मसला यार, ठीक है? But if you're speaking at a tone that pleases my ears, you make a good impression. So 40, 30, by the way, the other 30s were non-verbal and written. But 40% was the pitch of your voice, which is how important this part of communication is. So people need to communicate. जिंदा रहने के लिए, बात करने के लिए, उठते बैठते, we need to communicate with each other one way or the other. और एक बात आप ख्याल रखें, now you live in a very inclusive world. You have people around you who have special needs. You have disabled. You have, all sorts of people around you. You have to communicate. Otherwise, you will be left alone, isolated. They won't be. आज की दुनिया में, if you have to carry everyone along, then you have to make sure that you're talking to everyone in the same way. So, just a few examples. I'm sure everyone knows who this is. Whoever doesn't, okay, then you need to know. This is Dr. Martin Luther King. US में, he was a revolutionary in a lot of ways. Blacks की civil rights movement में, he was an integral part. But इसकी बहुत सारी pictures आपको मिल जाएंगी. This picture is critically important. This picture is from his one of the best speeches. अगर किसी ने नहीं सुनी, तो please आज ही जाके YouTube पे search करें. I have a dream. किसी ने speech सुनी है आज तक? No. Yes, that's fine. ज़रूर सुने if you want to make a career, or if you want to be inspired, if you want to learn something. I have a dream लिखेंगे, तो you'll get it. This is probably one of the speeches that defined Dr. Martin Luther King. और Martin Luther King कहता था कि every time I used to go on the stage, obviously वो क्योंकि civil rights movement में था, every time 10 minutes before that I used to get, my fist would get, sweaty. Confused हर कोई होता है, क्या होता है, but he used to overcome everything to communicate. And this speech really defined, you see millions of people here, and this speech really defined who he was. और उसमें वो एक चीज करता है which is very important for communication. He speaks from the heart. उसकी सारी speech scripted थी. और अगर आप वीडियो देखेंगे तो वीडियो में while he is talking, someone whispers in his ear, talk about the dream. And then he says, yes, last night I had a dream. और वहां से वो अपना एक जो dream उसने last night देखा होता है, वो उसकी बात करता है. 90% of his speech was scripted, 10% was it. लोगों को आज तक वो 10% याद है. Why? Rule of communication. Speak from the heart. You speak what you believe in. आपको किताब में 50,000 रूल मिल जाएंगे. ये मेरे रूल्स बनाए हुए नहीं हैं. आपको हर प्रोफेसर के, हर मैनेजमेंट के प्रोफेसर के डिफरेंट रूल्स मिलेंगे कम्युनिकेशन के. कोई फिक्स नहीं है. बट आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट आई प्रैक्टिकली हैव लर्नड. मैंने बेनिफिट किया है. दुनिया में जहाँ मैंने काम किया है. or practically what works. So speak from the heart and speak what you believe in. He believed in what he was saying. He was talking about civil rights movement, discrimination with blacks, white and blacks का सारा issue था, उसकी बात कर रहा था. And then he tells a dream, which he narrates it, and he speaks from the heart. So he transcended all people. वो गोरों को भी इतनी अपील की, blacks को भी, और सारी दुनिया में. I say this to my team every now and then. और ये बड़ा मजे का है और ये बिल्कुल ठीक भी है. And if you read it, it sounds very funny as well. Loose lips might sink ships. बल्कि इसकी example पे jump करते हैं, तो probably you laugh as well. Mr. Trump, सबने US elections follow किए, here and there, थोड़े bits and pieces में. By the way, मेरा lecture ध्यान से सुने. I have co-gifts for 2 of you, so whoever gets it, याद रखेगा, मैं end में सवाल पूछूंगा. Now, what is he saying? This is all a collection of all his bad tweets that he used to do. But what was he doing? That was his way of communication. That was his style of communication. He would ridicule people. वो बेइज्जती कर रहा था. He was stepping over egos. He would not care कि females के बारे में बोल रहा है, किसके बारे में बोल रहा है. He would just communicate in his own way. In his mind, उसको लगा कि शायद यही सही तरीका communicate करने का. और जो message दे रहा हूँ, this is what I want to tell. But by doing that, what was he doing? He was telling you to believe his personality in this way. कि वो औरतों की इज्जत नहीं करता, वो minorities को respect नहीं करता. He does not care for the culture, for anything. He's pro-white, and this is what you want to do. But that's what he was communicating with you. Or the reason why I said वो picture से relate करें, ideally it should have sunk his ship, but वो गलती से president बन गया. But ideally जो कोई भी इतना कुछ करे, उसके बाद वो president तो नहीं बन सकता. But that's another story how he became a president. But loose lip can sink a ship, especially in practical world. अगर आप इतनी दफ़ा देखते हैं celebrities आते हैं, events में आते हैं, कई दफ़ा वो कुछ बोल देते हैं, बाद में apology issue करते हैं. But it's there. अब आजकल की digital world में अगर आप अपना Facebook post delete भी कर दें, किसी ने उसका print screen ले लिया तो that's there. It will spread. So everything is permanent now. So you have to be very careful about what you are putting out in your communication because it's permanent. There's nothing as deletion. This is what I said earlier in my lecture as well. We don't listen. हम जब क्लास में आते हैं लेक्चर, मैंने भी स्टूडेंट लाइफ गुजारी, हम जब क्लास में आते हैं लेक्चर सुनते हैं, हम सुनते हैं कि मैं समझ लूँ कि इसमें मेन पॉइंट्स क्या हैं, एग्जाम के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, बुलेट पॉइंट्स कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट है जो एग्जाम में काम आएंगे. We don't listen. We don't hear things. And this is exactly the problem that everyone faces. कि we listen to reply. Understand करने के लिए नहीं कर रहे. शायद ये लेक्चर शायद हो कि यहाँ आपने मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं करना तो that's fine. तो आधे सुन रहे होंगे, आधे बोर हो रहे होंगे, बट जो सुन रहे हैं वो एटलीस्ट शायद अंडरस्टैंड कर रहे हैं. बट दिस इज व्हाट एसेंशियली यू हैव टू डू एज वेल, कि जब आप बात करें तो मेक श्योर पीपल आर गेटिंग योर मैसेज टू द पॉइंट, प्रिसाइज, व्हाट डू यू मीन, व्हाट डू यू वांट अदर्स टू हियर. नो योर ऑडियंस. आपकी ऑडियंस क्या है, किस तरह है. आज मेरी ऑडियंस थी, मैंने डिसाइड किया मैंने क्या पहनना है, क्या नहीं पहनना. I decided that. Maybe if I was presenting to corporate CEOs, I would have dressed differently. I don't know. But that's the message I want you to take as well. कि मैं किस तरह present कर रहा हूँ अपने आप को आपके सामने. So, storytelling is an art. Very difficult to do, but storytelling is an art. Communication का एक बहुत ही effective tool है how you present your story. Again, I'll give the example of ये जो US presidential debates थी. Presidential debates होती हैं. अगर आप वो जाके सर्च करें और देखें how people talk, how people defend their agendas. हमारे टॉक शोज की तरह नहीं होते वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं. And if you go and hear them, if you see those videos, you'll see they'll tell a story. You know, अपनी policies क्या हैं, वो क्या हैं. They tell it in a format that you want to listen. अगर मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा होके एक ही टोन में बात करूँ, आप वो मोनोलॉग हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आएगी, मोनोटोनस हो जाएगा. But if my pitch is varying, मैं आपके पास आ रहा हूँ, question पूछ रहा हूँ. This is the 10th year, inshallah, you will get to hear the songs again in this year. We started, बाकी ads भी चला रहे थे हम. Our other ads were doing well. हमारी different campaigns आ रही थी, different products की, different brands की. They were doing well. But we thought, let's have a platform that talks to the larger audience, the entire world. It tells them about who Pakistan is, what Pakistan can produce, you know, what are artists, किस तरह हम पाकिस्तान में world class execution कर सकते हैं. That's why we started Coke Studio. I don't know if a lot of you know or not. पाकिस्तान के जो digital के hits होते हैं for Coke Studio, most of them are not from Pakistan. They are from India, US, Europe, Pakistan के जो hits होते हैं सबसे कम होते हैं, which is not surprising because Pakistanis are all over the world and they like to hear what Coke Studio is. Now imagine a platform of that scale which talks to Pakistanis or non-Pakistanis, even people who do not understand the language, hear it. That's the power of the platform because the music is. हमने पश्तो गाने भी रखे हैं इसमें, बलोची भी हैं, सिंधी भी थे. People still hear it. मुझे तो नहीं समझ आती सिंधी, लेकिन मैं तो फिर भी वो गाना सुन लेता हूँ. आप लोग भी सुन लेते होंगे. Because music is powerful. It's communicating with you. It's telling you a message, some message, but it is a very beautiful message that is talking to you. So, effectively, what did we do here? We are communicating with those people in a different way. You can't leave them out. They are part of the society. Coke Studio, अगर आप सुन सकते हैं तो why can't they? That's another medium of how we communicate. You know, you feel emotional now. You feel, more sympathetic towards them. But that's all they need. They need some way of technology which is available now that they can hear, feel music, understand music. So important lesson from this video is, again, when I talked about inclusivity, is the fact that everyone is part of the society now. You cannot leave them out. You're not superior, they're not inferior. So you have to adapt yourself. You have to adapt your communication to make sure that they understand as well as someone else does. When we talk about Coke, and now I'll come to the practical side, and don't worry, I'm just going to finish very soon. Let's talk about the magnitude of Coca-Cola. It's a big brand, बहुत बड़ी company, American company, 130 साल से काम कर रही है. What's the magnitude? Why is communication so important for me? और हमें दुनिया भर से request आती हैं, international publications की भी, they want to cover Coke Studio. What does it mean? इसमें इतनी power क्यों है? पाकिस्तान का asset है. And I tell you, people, anywhere I go, people just are blown away by this. It just keeps on growing. हमें तो खुद समझ नहीं आ रही 10 साल हो गए इसके बाद क्या करेंगे, कब तक इसको चलाएंगे. But it is too big because it's the best communication platform that we have, and it keeps on working and keeps on growing and growing. So my second last slide, and I'll spend 5 minutes here. Think of all my entire presentation and apply it on yourself. You right now, today, every one of you is a walking brand. This is what corporate sector, जब आप job लेने जाएंगे, and we were talking earlier in the boardroom as well. When you walk in, आप एक interviewer के पास जा रहे हैं, and interview is not the only example, but perhaps आपके लिए शायद ज़्यादा relevant है. When you walk in, the way you walk, the way you're standing, the way you sit, the way you greet, everything is communicating without saying a word. And trust me, interviewers कई दफ़ा judgment आप पे बना लेते हैं. If you're not dressed properly, मेरे पास एक student आया, I'll tell you a practical example. The guy was brilliant, और मैंने अपना mind में बना लिया कि मैं इससे आखिरी सवाल पूछूंगा, and I'll hire him for sure. Brilliant guy. 2-3 साल पुरानी बात है. And उसने आखिर में एक सवाल मुझसे पूछा, जब मैंने उसको opportunity दी कि do you have any question, तो उसने मुझसे एक question पूछा जिसके बाद मैंने उसको hire नहीं किया. I mean, academically वैसे भी brilliant. उसने सवाल मुझसे पूछा, सर कभी लेट भी काम करना पड़ेगा. The guy was 22 years old. Now मैंने उसको कहा नहीं, but मेरे mind में यार 22-year-old boy who in my view should be working 18 hours a day, मुझसे ये सवाल पूछ रहा है, सर काम ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा, वो कभी लेट भी हो सकते हैं. Now I got the impression कि he doesn't want to work hard. उसने कहा तो नहीं मुझे, उसने मुझसे सवाल पूछा, but I got the answer. He's not a hard worker, or he doesn't want to work hard. I made up my mind, never hired him. So you're a brand. Each one of you, the way you dress up, as I said, मैंने आज decide किया मैंने क्या पहनना है, किस color combination का पहनना है, जैसे मर्जी कपड़े हों. You're carrying yourself. You're carrying your own, the brand identity. Jeff Bezos, founder and CEO of Amazon, one of the richest people in the world, उसने कहा था, your personal brand is what people talk about you when you're not in the room. जब आप रूम से बाहर जाते हैं तब लोग क्या बोलेंगे आपके बारे, यार आज तो उसने परफ्यूम नहीं लगाया था, he was sweating and he's smelling. उसके जूते देखे थे, पॉलिश नहीं थे. That's what people notice. You don't realize. It's not just about the job interview. आप घर में हैं, दोस्तों के साथ हैं, in a group, people notice about you. आप सब digital social media, Facebook पे हैं, Twitter पे हैं. What you post tells about you. आप समझते हैं सिर्फ मैं friendly joke मार रहा हूँ, but what about people जो आपके दोस्त नहीं हैं, but वो आपको देख रहे हैं? What if they make judgments about you? So today you are all walking brands, each one of you, no matter where you belong to, which language you speak, anything, regardless of any job that you have or not, you're walking brands, and this is what you need to focus on. Corporate sector ho, ya corporate sector no, social sector ho, government sector ho, employers are looking for brands. Identity जिन लोगों की strong है, what you communicate, how you communicate is what's important. So make sure you are very careful about this thing. So keep calm, drink Coke. I'm not here to sell my product. I'm just telling you. This is just एक मैंने एंड में स्लाइड डाल दी थी, मैंने डाल दी बस, एक कोई इसका मतलब नहीं है. मेरे कहे बगैर भी आप पी लेंगे और मेरे कहने में भी पी लेंगे, तो इसका कोई खास मतलब नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग स्लाइड थी, मैंने लगा दी. सो इसका जो आपने मीनिंग निकाल सकते हैं. सो दैट्स ऑलमोस्ट इट फ्रॉम माई साइड. मेरा आइडिया ये था कि मैं आपको from my experience and from the world that I see in, I travel all over the world. I've worked abroad in a lot of countries. उसके experience से आपको ये बताऊं कि you know, in this digitalized world that we live in, how important it is. और मैं तो लोगों को ये कहता हूं कि your personal identity is important, is critical. आजकल डिग्री मुझे तो नहीं याद मैंने किसी को हायर करते हुए पूछा हो तुम्हारा CGPA क्या था, और मेरा ख्याल है मैंने ऑफिस में कोई भी CGPA नहीं पूछता. That doesn't mean you have to be stupid or you know not smart enough, but the point is if you are brilliant it will show आपका CGPA पूछे बगैर, and if you are not it will show as well. So worry about that part कि कई लोग वो ना देख लें. ठीक है, we all have our faults, no one is perfect. I'm not saying कि आप सब perfect बनने की कोशिश करें, but why show your faults? Show the good side of yours. We all have our personal side जो हमारे घर में होती है, हमारे दोस्तों के सामने होती है. But when you are out in the external environment, employer हो या ना हो, show your best side, show your brand. That's it from my side. As I promised, I'll ask 2 questions and I have 2 gifts. Don't answer. Raise your hand if you know the answer. I showed a video. पाकिस्तान में कितने बच्चे? Okay, so we have एक ने उठा लिया. So you get the first. Okay, you get it. So one is this. दूसरा सवाल में. So you were paying attention. So that's good. अच्छा, दूसरा सवाल. Let me ask a very easy one. मेरी इससे पिछली स्लाइड पे क्या लिखा था? ये सारे बोल पड़े यार. देखा, see you weren't listening. सारे बोल पड़े, see you weren't listening. So question cancel. We'll ask another question, which I don't know which one to ask. But which female raised her hand for this answer? किसने उठाया था? Okay, so you'll get it. So we gender bias हम वो नहीं करेंगे. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you all. And if you have any questions, we can do short Q&A if we have. If you have any questions, yes. But he improvised, learned, and everything. Again, that's his brand now. How charming he is, how he's open, uska stance kaisa hai bolte hue, everything that he's doing represents himself. So I think Google is the best teacher. Go online, read, get inspired, and never be afraid to take a risk, which does not mean you wear this hoodie on the interview. Last question we can take. Okay, go ahead. For 3 months you can, but then you will get exposed. I always say to people कि लोग कहते हैं ना आजकल यार सिफारिश होती है. सिफारिश can get you an interview. मे बी आपको सिफारिश जॉब भी मिल जाए, लेकिन वो जॉब से 2 महीने चलेगी अनलेस सरकारी महकमे में हो. Then you will get exposed. You can improvise better on your knowledge. You can build more on your experience and knowledge. So the answer is no, you cannot survive for long, but it is definitely 100 marks extra for your communication skills if you have 50 on your knowledge. I said thank you so much. It was a pleasure to be amongst you all. Thank you.
Okay, sir, thank you so much. And I hope that students and all the listeners found it very informative and interesting. And once again, me and Maria and whole OCS team would like to thank you for such a detailed briefing. And we hope that me and Maria and OCS will definitely be facilitating you and, definitely helping you out with such more informative and detailed interviews with the industry players in Hey UMT. And God bless you all. Thank you.
Hey UMT! Hey UMT! Hey UMT!